Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you a quick overview of camera Pro mode on the Motorola Moto G32. So the Pro mode you can find next to the More modes. So open it and take a look. We can find some parameters. First of all, we can adjust focus range. The next option, that's the white balance. Next we can find shutter speed, and as you can see on all of these parameters we can find at the first position this A, so it means that it's automatic adjustment. The same for the ISO level, but when you switch to the exposure compensation, as you can see, that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. Next, when you go for the top bar, you can find photo format. You can also enable shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds. You can turn on the flashlight or change camera aspect ratio. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.